Hi, this is Luke with Harmonica.com, and in this lesson, I'm going to teach you two super simple blues scales that you can play, no bending required. We're going to learn to play the scales up and down, just like this. Alright, sounds a little boring, right? But check this out. Once you know these scales, then you can vary the order of these notes and the rhythm of these notes, and you can come up with your own legit blues solos like this. Ready to go? Let's get into it. So again, this lesson is for beginners. I've got a Lee Oscar harmonica in the key of C here. Any 10-hole diatonic harmonica will do the trick for you to be able to follow along with this lesson. This first scale that we're going to learn is a scale that I learned from J.P. Allen, and it's called the Simple Walking Blues Scale. And it just involves 4 notes, and then we get to the high octave. So we are going to start on the 3 blow. And the easiest way to find the 3 blow is to start on the 1 and slide over. Alright, there's our 3 blow. The next note in the scale is the 3 draw. The next note is the 4 draw. And then the 5 draw. And now we're going to complete it on the top note, the 6 blow. Coming back down, 5 draw. 4 draw. 3 draw. And the 3 blow. And that's the Simple Walking Blues scale. Very good. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play it along with a little jam track, okay? And the first time through, we're going to play it nice and easy. After we've done that, then we're going to see if we can double time it. You ready to try this? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, very good. Coming back down. Again. Go. Back down, ready, go. Okay, we're going to try and challenge ourselves now. We're going to play it twice as fast. Ready? Here we go. Learning this scale and this framework is going to serve you for months and years to come, for the rest of your life. And hopefully you keep playing this wonderful instrument for the rest of your life and just having fun with it. And one of the things that we have to do as we're on this journey is we have to be very patient with ourselves. This takes time. So if this scale is not coming together for you yet, that's fine. Take a few days, take a few weeks, take a few months, as long as you need to until it starts to get comfy. And then after it gets comfy, then you can take it to the next level. Now, if that felt a little too easy for you, we'll go ahead and try it at that faster speed here. I'm going to play the same jam track right now, but we're going to play twice as fast. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the top note, so we're only going to play the top note once, and that way we can go up and just come right back down. All right, you ready to give this a shot? 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, that's moving right along now. That's not easy, right? Let's try it again. 2, ready, go. How was that? A bit challenging? I'm going to try one more time. 2, 3, go. Okay, very good. Now again, the speed is not important. Don't stress out. If you can't keep up with that right now, that's totally cool. The speed will come with time. I encourage you to just write down the tabs and just play this nice and slow every day, and it's going to get more and more comfy, and watch, in a couple weeks you'll be able to come back and play right along with that if you weren't able to already. When it comes to playing the blues, one of the key mistakes that most beginners make is playing too many blow notes. You get a lot of blow, draw, blow, draw, blow, draw, back and forth like that, which may sound great in a kind of a folk genre to... Like that kind of playing sounds really good. But when it comes to the blues, you really want to focus on the draws. And to illustrate that right now, I'm going to play a little bit of blues licks here for you. And I'm not going to blow one time. This is going to be all draws. Okay, I didn't blow one time. That was all draws. Now, I'm cheating a little bit because I can bend already. And so I can get a lot more notes because of my ability to bend in there. But point being that when you want to sound bluesy on the harmonica, you want to focus more on drawing than on blowing. That's a really good tip that's going to serve you really well if you're wanting to get into the blues on harmonica. The secret is it's all in the draws, okay? And so as we progress from what we just learned, which was our real super beginner, like we're riding a tricycle introduction to the blues scale, now we're moving up to a bicycle with training wheels, okay? And so in this version, the first thing that I'm going to do to challenge ourselves a bit more is, instead of playing the 3 blow to start us off, we're going to do the 2 draw first off, okay? And the 2 draw, obviously, here's the 1 draw, and here's the 2 draw. Now, you might be playing the 2 draw and it might sound something like this. And why does it sound like that instead of like this? Okay, good question. So in order to play the 2 draw, what that is if it's sounding like this, you're actually bending it by accident. And that's a very common thing to happen for beginners. And the key here is, if you're not getting this sound, is you want to drop the jaw, into this elongated kind of shape. And you want the back of your tongue to be down, like when you yawn. Whew, okay, that was a long one. When you yawn, the back of your tongue goes down, okay? And that's the aw kind of shape that you want to be in. Aw. That should enable you to be able to play that note in tune. Okay, so we're going to start on the 2 draw. Then the 3 draw. Now we're going to add in here the 4 blow. And then the 4 draw. And the 5 draw. And the 6 blow. All right, let's try it coming down now. We got the 6 blow. 5 draw. 4 draw, 4 blow, 3 draw, and the 2 draw. The cool thing about this scale is you are now literally playing all the notes in the blues scale that you can without the ability to bend. And that's why I like to call it the almost blues scale. Let's go ahead and play it along with the same track we were jamming along with earlier. We're going to start nice and slow this time, okay? 1, 2, ready, go. Coming back down, go. Okay, excellent. We're going to try and double time it now. This is going to be challenging. ready, go. Coming back down. Again, ready, go. And back down. All right, very good, excellent job. So that's the almost blues scale. I mean, it's true, that is the blues scale from 2 draw to 6 blow. That's like the main part of it, but we can also go down to the 1. So what I want to try now is we start on the 2 draw, we go up to the 6 blow, we come back down to the 2 draw, and then we go down to the 1 draw, 1 blow, 1 draw, and then we'll end again on the 2 draw. So that will be our whole scale. And we're just going to play the 6 blow 1 time at the top. We're not going to stop, okay? We're just going to get to the 6 and we're going to turn it around. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Now, if you want to really challenge yourself, we're going to try taking it twice as fast. Now, we're going to have 3 tries because we're going to play this through 3 times. It may be that it's too fast to play along with right now. And again, that's totally fine. Go write down the tabs, practice it, and then come back later and try again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Last time. And then let's end on a 2 draw. All right, very good. Congratulations. If you were able to keep up with that, that's very impressive. We were moving right along there. Again, that's the almost blues scale. If you were able to play along with that, and the harmonica is nice and deep in your mouth, and you're able to isolate nice, clean notes, and you're able to play along with what we just did, that was fast. I would say you're definitely ready to start learning how to bend. And so there's a link below this video where you can check out one of my lessons on how to bend. Once you know how to bend, then you'll take all these notes and then add in the bends and really be able to play the real boss blues scale. That's the full blues scale. And so that's just adding in 4 bends into the mix. And so this is a great thing to be practicing right now at this stage in your journey because it's preparing you. Not only is it great for just practicing single notes, you could actually use these notes and make up your own solo. And to exemplify that, I'll do that for you right now. I'll make up a solo using the almost blues scale. Here we go. Okay, so maybe that wasn't the most inspired and amazing blues solo of all time, but just to illustrate, even just using these notes, we can start to make up our own solos. And so you could just pull up any blues in G if you've got a C harmonica, once you really know this scale well, and start to just change up the rhythms and patterns of these notes and how long and short you play each one. And that's really how to start playing your own blues solos. Again, my name is Luke with Harmonica.com. Thanks so much for watching this lesson. If you like this lesson, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Harmonica.com YouTube channel to get all the latest free lessons and gear reviews. If you have any questions or comments, of course, don't hesitate to leave them below the video. I always love to hear from you. Keep on rocking the harmonica and having fun and making the world a better place. Beginning walk. The simple. Let's go ahead. Now I've just totally lost it. Okay, let's get this train back on the tracks. The simple walking blue. God.